Hey guys, so sorry I haven't been active on YouTube. I've been really busy with school, like really busy. Like if you guys are studying medicine or anything medical, you know like that schooling is like a lot of work. So yeah, I'm still getting my degree in chemistry and I'm about to become a certified pharmacy tech. So I'm really busy, but I did want to film this video because there is a bag that I just recently purchased. I've been wanting this bag forever now, probably for a couple months, and it's from Kate Spade. So my mom picked it up for me from the outlets and in Round Rock, I think. I think Kate Spade was having like 60% off your purchase plus additional 20% off. So I figured since I am in school and I'm working hard, I should treat myself. So the purse I got is the Laurel Way Greer. Yeah, the purse that I got is the Laurel Way Greer. It's originally $229, and I think my mom paid, or I think I got it for $89 or $99 with my discount. So I've been eyeballing this purse forever now, and they always have it in like black or cream or blue. I think there's like a black one with like pink on top, but I have not seen this red color, so I thought it was super duper cute. So I'm pretty sure if y'all already know about this bag, or if you know from Kate Spade, this is like a popular bag or whatever because it's pretty cheap and it's like reversible or whatever. So I should probably cut this off, but it has a flap, so when you open it, which I love about the red one, it has the cream inside or whatever, because normal Kate Spade bags, they always have like black. So I thought it was cool that it has the cream. Let me take out the stuffing. So here's what it looks like. It's pretty small. It's not really spacious, but you could use this as a clutch by taking off the chain like that. So now you have a clutch whenever you go into dinner with your boo or going out with your girlfriends, you know, you could use it that way. So I really like this one. I probably will get it in the black too, just because I think it's like a versatile purse. But yeah, if y'all want to know the color, the exact color, I guess, it's Hot Chili. I don't know if they have this anymore because this is my first time seeing it in red, but they might have it. I know at the outlets they also had a burgundy, so if you want a burgundy one, definitely grab it. But I definitely think this is like a perfect all around, like going out or going to an amusement park, going to family lunch. Like, I think it's a good bag, so that way you're not carrying around a big tote bag or carrying something so small as just a wallet. So if you like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully once I'm done with school, I'll be able to upload a lot more videos. If you guys want me to do certain ones, don't forget to comment them down below, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.